So many of you probably wonder why I actually find myself in Austria so often. Well, for the first time in I Cultivate, this is my beautiful wife Gabby, and she's the reason why we actually spend the time in Austria that we do. Gabby's actually Austrian, so we have this unique partnership, I guess you could say, and marriage of course, where I'm Australian but she's Austrian, and I hope you enjoy the blend in gardening that our beautiful relationship brings to I Cultivate. So let us take you through some of the most amazing gardens that we have collectively seen and both love here in Austria.
We hope you enjoy them.
Now we both hope that you have enjoyed this quick video, something that we haven't done before, but it's a compilation of what we both really love in the garden space here in Austria. So please go down and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website icultivate.net and become a member of the community.
Thanks for watching.